Hello, this is Jane in Reviews, and today I am reviewing these gorgeous glasses, free sample provided by Feisedy. So they look amazing. They are my favorite glasses. They are color purple, so they are photochromic, photochromic polarized lenses. This is how they look. It has the shiny here. And I love it because they change color. So as it's more sunny and harmful UV rays for your eyes, they get darker, they get darker. So this is how they look. So it's very sturdy. It's suitable for most um, face shapes, and also they're easy to clean. They come with a cleaning cloth. They are anti-glare, and they have the H division, the UV protection. Even if you have a small accident and you drop them, they are for the most part shatterproof, and they feel very strong, very sturdy. You can keep them in your purse, take them to the beach, perfect for the beach, perfect for the sunny weather, perfect for driving, and they look so pretty. I just love them. I hope you check it out. I hope you check them out. They have beautiful styles, and thank you for watching my video.